traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of upcoming week for the currency pairs. So before I start, guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. If you want to contact me, there is a link in the description so you can join my Telegram channel and you can contact me on Telegram, on Facebook and on Instagram as well. So let's start our video, and let me start with the AUD JPY. As you can see, guys, AUD JPY touched one of my daily resistance level and it start going down, but it didn't break out. So what I'm expecting, AUD JPY this kind of movement and then it's gonna fall. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down, but on the other hand, as you can see, if it break this resistance levels, the next target of AUD JPY is 7.41 and then it's gonna be fall. But I wasn't expecting, I'm not expecting that much that gonna happen. So what I'm expecting, AUD JPY, it will go down. So let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. As I told you in my previous video, I'm expecting AUD USD to go down. As you can see, start from here, it's touch our daily and weekly resistance level and now it's gonna fall. So what I'm expecting, one more up moment and then it's gonna down. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting AUD USD to go down. But guys, I just want to tell you, this is not a signal, that's my point of view. If you need signal, you have to join my Telegram channel so you will get the proper entry from here with take profits and stop losses. So from where you need to enter, from where you need to exit. For next target, let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CHF. As you can see, AUD CHF also touch our daily resistance level and it start going down. So what I'm expecting, it will go up, come back on this level, then it's gonna fall. So on the long term time period, I'm expecting AUD CHF to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD NZD. As I told you in my previous video, I'm expecting all NZD pairs like AUD NZD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD to go down. If you didn't watch my previous video, there is a link in the description so you can watch them, what I was expecting from all the NZD pairs like AUD NZD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD. I'm expecting those to go down, and I was expecting NZD USD to go up. So let's see what happened. As you can see, last week it was on 1.81 level. It's touch our one of key resistance level. Now it start going down. So I'm expecting this pair to go down at least this level. If it break that level, the next target of AUD NZD is 1.023, but guys, that's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 day, it will take time. So for upcoming week, what I'm expecting little bit, it will go a little bit up again, then it's gonna fall. So I'm expecting all AUD pairs to go down. Same with our next pair, which is excuse me, which is AUD CAD. So as you can see, guys, AUD CAD already crossed two of our resistance level and is on our monthly resistance level. So what I'm expecting from AUD CAD, it will go down and it will go down a lot. So if you didn't enter in these trades, I will highly recommend you to enter this trade whenever the market opens. So you will get very good profit from that, because on the long term I'm expecting at least 500 pips from that trade. Let's move, that's it from our AUD pairs. Let's move to our Euro pairs. So as I told you in my previous video, we were about here or this level. So I was expecting, because it was on our key support level, that was 115.57. so I was expecting it will go up. So as you can see, this same movement have done in this week. So and it's touched our this resistance level, now it start coming down. So what I'm expecting, it will come down again on this level, then it's gonna happen. So I'm expecting Euro JPY for upcoming week, it will go up and it will go up at least it will touch 120 level. If it break that, the next target of Euro JPY is 1.21 or 1.22. Same with the USD, Euro USD, as we were expecting it will go up. It's touched this level. If the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade, so now it came back again this level, one of our key support. If it break that level, it will go down and then it will be up. So what I'm expecting from Euro USD for long term period, it will go up at least this level or this level for upcoming week. Let's see what's gonna happen from upcoming week. Let's move to our Euro GBP. I am expecting Euro GBP will go down. As you can see, it's touched one of our resistance level here. Now it start going down. So what I'm expecting Euro GBP, it will go down. If it break that level, like it will fall and break this level, the next target of Euro GBP is 0.9160, which I am not expecting that gonna happen. So I am expecting Euro GBP to go down. Guys, I just want to let you know, I didn't only work on support and resistance. Because I have my own bar chart strategies as well, which I use. So before I take any trades, I check a lot of things. So if you want to learn me, you can contact me and I will promise you I will make you a professional trader. So if you need signals, you can join my Telegram channel. The things I'm doing right now, that's just my analysis, that's not a signal. So please, just my point of view only, what I'm expecting from upcoming week. So if you need proper entry, you have to join my channel. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro AUD. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting Euro AUD to go down, and the exactly same thing happened. It will down about 500 pips straight. Now I'm waiting to touch this level. As I told you in previously, like I'm expecting AUD pairs to go down. So if it will touch this level, then I'm gonna expecting it will go up. But on the other side, if that pair break this level, break this one of our key support levels, so then I'm expecting it will go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CHF. Right now I'm not gonna do anything in Euro CHF for upcoming week because it's in between right now. So if it will come down this level, I'm definitely gonna buy, but I will not recommend you to sell Euro CHF because Euro CHF right now is on lifetime low price. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up. And if you have a patience, if you want to take big pips from one pair, so you just buy this pair and hold it for a couple of months, and you will see you can get easily 1000 to 1500 pips from that pair. So I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up. Let's move to Euro NZD. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting Euro NZD to go down, and exactly same thing happened. We earn about 2 to 300 pips. So I am expecting this kind of moment, and then it's gonna fall. So for in the long term time period, I'm expecting Euro NZD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CAD. As you can see right now, Euro CAD is in between and it's moving a kind of sideways. So whenever market moves sideways, I will not trade. So if it will go up and come at least this level, then I'm gonna sell, or I will wait Euro CAD to come down this level and I will see the price action and I will apply my strategy. So I'm gonna buy. So I'm not interested to do anything with the Euro CAD for upcoming week. That's it with the Euro pairs. Let's move to our next pairs, which are GBP pairs. So yep, let's start with GBP JPY. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting GBP to go up, and we get about 2 to 300 pips from that trade, and we exit here. So it start coming down, but we didn't place that sell trade. So because I'm expecting in the long term time frame, I'm expecting GBP JPY to go up. So I'm just waiting GBP JPY come back again on these my key support level. So I'm gonna buy it. So what I am expecting from GBP JPY, it will go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP USD. I'm expecting all GBP pair to go up, but right now GBP USD is in between, so it came to one of my key support level as well. So I'm expecting GBP USD to go up at least 1.26 level. If it's break that, the next target of GBP USD is 1.32. But guys, that's not gonna happen in one day. It will take time, and I just want to let you know guys as well, I'm not working for upcoming week because there is a Eid week, so we're gonna celebrate our festival. So I just want to say Eid Mubarak advance to my Muslim followers, so Eid Mubarak in advance. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP NZD. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting GBP NZD to go down, and that exactly the same thing happened. We were here about last week and we already down about 500 pips. So in the what I am expecting GBP NZD to go up and it will go down. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting GBP NZD to go down and it will go down a lot. So let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CHF. I'm expecting GBP CHF will go up, so I'm just looking to come, it will down to this level. If it's break that, the next target of GBP CHF is this level, which is 1.1991. Sorry, it was 1.1491, and I wasn't expecting that gonna happen. So as my point of view, I'm expecting GBP CHF and it will go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CAD. Right now GBP CAD, as you can see, is in between, so I'm not interested to do any kind of trading because it's going down. So when it will come on this level, then I'm gonna buy. So for right now, I'm not interested in GBP CAD. So that's it with our GBP pairs. Let's move to the highest volatility pair in the market, which is gold. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting gold to touch 1.1760 level, and exactly the same thing happened that day. So the guys who are in our paid group, they knew we sold gold on 1.65 level and we got all this profit. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting gold to come down at least this level, which is 1685. If it's break that, the next target of the gold is 1550. Yeah, you heard it right. From here it easily about 2000 pips trade, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. For upcoming week, right, as you can see, gold close on this level, which is pivot level as well, is 1.1733. so for upcoming week, what I'm expecting gold to touch at least this level and then it's gonna fall. So in the long term time period, I'm expecting gold to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD JPY. As I told you in my previous video, I'm expecting it USD JPY to go up, but I am still waiting to break this key resistance level. If it break that, clearly the next target of USD JPY, it will 11190. But if it will come down again this level, this support level, I'm gonna buy, and I'm expecting USD JPY and it will go up. So let's move to our next target, which is NZD USD. As I told you before, I was expecting NZD to go up. As you can see, we bought it from here, this level, and we already got about 150 pips from that. As you can see, it's touch of one of our resistance levels start coming down. So if it will come down again this level, I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting NZD USD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CHF. Right now USD CHF is moving sideways, it's in between, so I'm not trading in that. Let's see our last but not the least, USD CAD. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting USD CAD to go down and it will come down for 300 pips we exit from that play. We didn't take this buy trade because it's already touched my monthly resistance again. So I'm expecting USD CAD in the long term time period, it will go down and it will go down a lot. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and Eid Mubarak again. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Allah Hafiz.